Good morning, friends, and welcome back for another episode in my channel. So, as you can see from the title, we are again traveling, and as you know, I have started blogging also. So, this will be my second blogging, and also one of the special about this is that it will be a series. So, me with two of my other friend, so जो आपको बाद में दिखेंगे in the all the episode or in the other part of the trip, and one of my friend is also joining me in the blogging, so he's a part of the channel too. So welcome back to our channel and enjoy the episode. So I think we should start from the first, so let's go.
Heart filled with worries, no more. In a world full of sorrow, what
So
for?
friend, yes,
You watch the world
yes,
from the
we are
place
traveling to
beneath the
Sikkim.
willow.
So finally we have made it to Sikkim, and आप देख सकते हैं the view
So many years, too many tears on your
देखते हैं क्या
pillow.
होता है. So
On
now
your
we are traveling to Hotel. So hopefully everything will go well. So let's enjoy.
Out of the darkness.
So metro guy or Zanzibar Najar, it is not at all possible. So we decided to spend like a 10 hours. So after enjoy these enjoy video.
Don't you wait until the morning light.